So this is a cream-based mask, and just like the oxygen product we used earlier with the saran wrap, we're going to do the same thing. Kind of spread this product around the skin, just on the surface. No need to rub it in. Just make sure every section of her skin is covered. You can even bring it down to the neck area here. And those same saran wrap strips that you used, we're going to use them again, and you can just use the back side of them. And really enclose the product with the skin by wrapping her face again. And she's going to sit with this for about 10 minutes. And what this mask is doing is really closing her pores. Since we've stimulated her skin pretty much the entire time, we want to close down her pores and kind of calm everything down. But yet there's oxygen in this product as well. So it's also helping to, normalize her skin and rejuvenate everything that is naturally going on.